Hello everyone, this is Fred with USA Measurements, and today I'm going to show you how you can use your US-8011NP to use the accumulation function and print out the weight of the batches. So first what we're going to do is place our item onto the platform and we're going to press the Accum button. You can see it captured number 1 and the 5 pounds and it automatically prints. And I'm going to continue this process 4 times. Now that I've captured those 4 different weights, I want to go ahead and print and get the gross weight. So what I'm going to do is press the Accum and the print at the same time for 1 second and let go. Now you can see it showed you the number 4, and now it's showing the gross weight of 20 pounds. So if I want to print this, I'll go ahead and press and hold the print button down. And now you can see that it prints out the date and time, and then it also gives you what each of the different weights were plus the total gross weight. Now if I want to go ahead and clear this out and I'm done, I'm going to press and hold the Accum button down. And you're going to see where it says clear and it's telling you no, or you can change it to the letter Y for yes. And I want to clear this out and I'm going to press print. So now I've started the process over and I'm going to go ahead and do this again. Okay, now that I've done it 4 times, what I'm going to do is go ahead and go back into the next mode, which is the Accum and print at the same time for 1 second and let go. Now, if I made a mistake and I want to go back because I forgot I wanted to do a 5th one, what I would do is press and hold this down, and I do not want to clear it out, so I'll hit print. And now it's taken me back into my weighing mode where I can go ahead and do the 5th one. And then now I can go back again to Accum and print to our mode where we can see we've weighed 5 times and it shows us what the gross weight was, 25 pounds. Now again, to print this out to get the gross, I'm going to press and hold this down. And then from here, we're good to go. And you can see where it has the date, time, each individual weight, plus the total gross weight. And last, if we do want to clear this out again, we press and hold down the Accum button. We change this to the letter Y for yes, and we hit print. And that's how you can use your US-8011NP to print with the accumulation function. Thank you for watching.